This is a common data questions. So there are three tables. Table A, ID, name, age, 12, Arun 60, 15, Shreya 24, 99, Rohit 11. Table B, 15, Shreya 24, 25, Hari 40, 98, Rohit 20, 99, Rohit 11. And table C, ID, phone, area, 10, 220, 02, 99, 2100, 01. The first question is, how many tuples does the result of the following SQL query contain? Select a.id from A, where a.age is greater than all of select b.age from B, where b.name is Arun. So first we need to solve this query. Select b.age from B. So in this table we should select b.age where b.name is Arun, where Arun is the name. Since there is no entry in this table where the name is Arun, the result of this will be null, which implies the a.age will be greater than this result for all the entries in A. Therefore, the whole table will be the output. So the number of tuples will be 1, 2, 3. So option B is the right answer. The second question is, how many tuples does the result of the following relational algebraic expression contain? A union B, full outer join, where a.id is greater than 40 or c.id is less than 15, C. So first A union B, we'll just write A union B here. ID, name, age. So 12, 15, 99. Arun, Shreyas, Rohit. Let's just write it short because we don't require the names in this. Age is 60, 24, 11. Shreya 24 has already been written there. Union will give you the combined table. 25, Hari 40. Next is 98, Rohit 20. Rohit 11 is already there. Now we have the table A union B. We have to do a full outer join of this table with table C such that a.id is greater than 40 or c.id is less than 15. By a.id we mean the ID of this table. So if the ID in this table is greater than 40, you full outer join it with all elements of C, since there is an OR here. So even if one of it is true, you full outer join it with the rest of the table. Similarly, if C of ID is less than 15 here, that is this element, you will full outer join it with all elements here. So what will happen is, this row, the 98 row and the 99 row will have two tuples corresponding with it. So this will full outer join with this as well as this. So since only the number of tuples are required, let us not form the whole table. Let us just count the number of tuples. So this row will combine with this row as well as this row. That constitutes to two rows. Similarly, this row will combine with this row as well as this row. That is another two rows. And these three rows, AID is less than 40. So from that it won't happen. The next is, since there is an OR here, CID less than 15. This row will combine with all the 5 rows. You've already counted this row and this row in this constitutions. So it will combine with 1, 2 and 3 more. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 is 7. Therefore option A is the right answer.